Hey everybody, I have a haul to share with you. I've been doing some shopping at scrapbook.com, Amazon, Simon Says Stamp, and then I also won a challenge for Lindys, so I picked up some new colors from them, and I've been getting the orders kind of here and there the last few weeks. So I decided to share with you what I got. But before I get into the haul, if you could do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And I love reading your comments, so if you would leave me a comment down below letting me know where you like to shop most. And let's see. Oh, all of the things that I'm going to be sharing are going to be listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out if you are wanting anything that I am sharing. And I think that's it. All right, first little bit is from Simon Says Stamp, and I went for this stamp. That's what I went for. And then I decided that I needed a few other things. So this is the Round and Round background stamp. It is a foam mounted stamp, or a red rubber foam mounted stamp. And it's pretty good size. Whoops, the glare is horrendous. So it's probably about 6 by 6. And yeah, 6 by 6. So there's that one. Then I got some stencils, and some of these companies you can only get from Simon Says Stamp. Obviously, the Simon Says Stamp brand you can only get there, but a few other brands that I got you can only find at Simon Says Stamp. So this one is Studio Katia's Creative Stencil Brushstroke Waves. I really like that. Gonna look super cool. Then this one is Newton's Nook, and it's called Cascading Stars. And then this one is called Nautical Stripes, if you guys can see that. And this one is one that looks like a Prima stencil that I really like to use that you cannot find anymore. So I thought I'd try it out. It's called Diamond Circles. And then I am going to show you guys my dies that I got. I got quite a bit. So I got, let me just zoom in just a little bit here. All right. So I got this one is Painted Hugs. It's a good size sentiment die. This one is Painted Thanks. Then these are Simon Says Stamp. All of these are Simon Says Stamp. And this one is I Love You. Let me see this actually. Okay, so it has the background and then the scripty words. So I really like that one. Really nice. Okay. Then this one is Clipping Heart. I really like the intricate hearts. I already opened this one up to see. So it's very thin hearts, lined hearts. Okay. Then we got Congrats. This one, I'm going to show you guys the size. So it's a nice size. I love the fonts that they use. So, all right, this one's Happy Birthday. So as you guys know, I have the channel memberships, and I send out a birthday card for those that email me and want a birthday card from me. So I needed to get some new birthday stuff for some cards. And also a huge shout out to Dee Catron. She created my custom badges for the channel members. So if you guys want to check her out, she's amazing. Okay, this one is Circle Loops, Really like that. So there's a small one, two circles, two separate dies, I should say. All right. I think I'm gonna really like using these like behind things on mixed media projects. And this one I've been wanting for quite some time. I saw Christina Werner use it on a card. It is kind of like the hearts, so it's very thin lined shapes. This is triangles, and it was out of stock for quite a while, and I just so happened to see it, so I thought I'd pick it up. And this is Triangle Element. And then this Happy Birthday, it's painted Happy Birthday. I really like this one. Nice, good size sentiment there. Okay. And I got some more Neenah 110 Solar White cardstock. I love this stuff. And Corin Wisman, I got some fog cardstock, and I love the color. I love grays. My whole house inside is like gray and white, so I really love grays. And then they also sent me this magazine, which I wasn't expecting, so it was kind of a nice surprise. But I did get this magazine also from Scrapbook.com, so now I have two. I'll probably give one away to a friend. All right, that out of the way, I am going to share my Scrapbook.com haul. So again, I did get a free magazine. It's free over at Scrapbook.com with any order, and as of right now, there is still some available. And I also got this as a freebie. You always want to check their coupons and deals tab, and for freebies and different deals that are going on, things that are on sale, all of that sort of thing. So I'm really excited for this. I do have the butterfly stamp already, but I don't have the die, so I'm excited for the die. So anyway, so that was free. Then I ordered some of Tim Holtz goodies. These are like the heirloom roses. I thought these would be really nice for mixed media projects. And then these I got, I saw a project and they had these boxes sitting on one of these. So I thought that was amazing. It looks really cool. So but I got the boxes on Amazon. Anyway, so I got these. These are finial sets, vignette. Really nice. There's 4 of them in there. Then I got this Concord and Ninth Petite Posy stamp set. I love this For You and the congrats sentiments. Then I picked up a frame. I cannot live without these, and I can only get myself to get one. I do have one more, I think, but yeah, so I picked up one of those. And then I picked up a couple molds, which you guys know I love molds because you can reuse them over and over and over and over again, so you can make your own embellishments. This one is amazing, so if you like steampunk, things like that, then this one is for you. So you have all of those gears and different things. Really cool. I'm curious to see how this is going to work with the paper clay, because I like to use paper clay. And then I like this one because it has a little butterfly and the little other little, I don't know if those are bees or just flies, but I really like those. Whoops, you can't even see them because of the glare. So I like those. Thought I'd give this one a try as well. Alright, so that is the Scrapbook.com haul. Next is Amazon. So this is what I got from Amazon. And again, everything is listed in the description box down below. So I got some of these mechanicals, the grungy butterflies. There's 9 of them in here. Love those. Picked up some more of these metal what are these called? The clock frame things. Some more Yupo paper. Is running out of Yupo paper. Then again, I got these boxes, which I really like. Abby wanted to take them from me. She's like, where'd you get those? So I'm excited to try these out to alter them and make something amazing, hopefully. All right, so that is all of that. Next, I got Lindys sprays. I haven't added water to them. I'm just going to show you guys the colors. I got Flat Fabio spray in Sidewalk Chalk. I wanted to give this a try to see how it would splatter, because you guys know I love my picket fence. So I'm gonna just leave that there. Then I got Tiffany Lou Blue. For some reason I want to say that I already have this one. That one's really pretty. This one is a Starburst. This one is a flat spray. This one's Frenchie's Pink Poof. Got that one. Then I got Opal Sea Oats. And I don't know if I ordered 2 or if they sent me 2 on accident. I have to check my order, but I ended up getting 2 of these in my order. Oh wait, no, I almost look the same in the box. So this is Fuzzy Navel Peach. Then this one's Screamin' Banshee Black. So this is a Starburst spray. Then Moon Shadow Mist Golden Doubloons. Then I got another Moon Shadow Burnt Umber. This one is going to be so pretty. And then I got Yellow Rose of Texas. I don't know why I got yellow. Then I got Tainted Love Teal. This is one of my favorites, and like to get one when I can. This one is Open Arms Amethyst, which is a really pretty purple. You guys know I love purple. Oh, see, I did have 2 of them in here. I'm gonna have to check to see if I accidentally ordered 2 or if they sent me 2. This is another one of the Opal Sea Oats. And then I got this as a freebie. Well, all of this was free for me because I had won the gift card or the gift certificate from the challenge. This is a magical shaker. It is Cowabunga Copper. I might have this already. Oh no, I think I might have it in the squirt maybe. I don't know. I get confused with all the names, but they always have really cool names. But that is going to be it for my haul. I did share a lot with you guys, so be sure to check out the description box down below. If you make a purchase from Amazon, Scrapbook.com, or Simon Says Stamp using my links, I will get a small commission. It really helps me out. It helps me be able to continue to create videos for you guys, bring you content, get new goodies, not gonna lie. So, and it's at no cost to you. So if you're going to be shopping anyways, you can definitely help support me and my channel. But if you want to support somebody else, I always am I'm a supporter of supporting somebody that you love and that inspires you. So it definitely doesn't have to be me, but just want to put that out there because so many people have been appreciative when I have explained the affiliate links and how they work and things like that, because a lot of people didn't know how they worked. So yeah, I think that's it. Let me just put all this in here so you guys can see. All right, there you go. All right, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and all of your continued support. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know where you love to shop, and let's see what your favorite product was. I may be doing a giveaway, but don't say anything in the comments because I like to do hidden giveaways sometimes. So just leave me a comment, and in about a week I will pick a winner. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.